In this video we will look into benefits of turmeric in preventing cancer. Turmeric is a spice well known for its health-promoting properties. Curcumin, its active ingredient, is a chemical with anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and even anti-cancer effects. One study looked at the effects of curcumin on 44 patients with lesions in the colon that could have become cancerous. After 30 days, 4 grams of curcumin daily reduced the number of lesions present by 40%. In a test tube study, curcumin was also found to decrease the spread of colon cancer cells by targeting a specific enzyme related to cancer growth. Another test tube study showed that curcumin helped kill off head and neck cancer cells. Curcumin has also been shown to be effective in slowing the growth of lung, breast and prostate cancer cells in other test tube studies. For the best results, aim for at least 1 to 3 grams of ground turmeric per day. Use turmeric as a ground spice to add flavor to foods, and pair it with black pepper to help boost its absorption. For more such videos, do subscribe to CancerFax channel.